This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming tank volume and water temperature so dosing is accurate. Measure API Aquarium Salt precisely, 1 tablespoon per 5 gallons of water. Once done, dissolve the measured salt in a clean cup of aquarium water. Stir until fully dissolved to avoid granules entering the tank. While dissolving, double-check your heater and filter are running. This ensures even distribution once you add the solution back. Make sure not to pour powder directly into the tank. You now add the dissolved salt slowly along the tank edge to minimize disturbance. Once added, keep the filter and circulation running so the salt mixes evenly. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes of steady flow. Monitor water temperature and match the cup's temperature before adding to prevent shocking livestock. If you have plants or sensitive invertebrates, add in smaller increments and observe behavior. Remember why this matters. Even distribution prevents localized high concentration. You finish by checking water parameters and observing fish for any signs of stress over the next 1 to 2 hours. If you used API instructions, confirm dosing with a hydrometer or test kit when applicable. Once done, adjust only if needed. If fish show rapid breathing, flashing, or lethargy, perform a partial water change immediately and dilute the salt. Make sure to remove any excess salt residue. Keep instructions handy and repeat dosing only as recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.